2x squared plus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. If we look at this algebraic expression, we see that this is a polynomial of degree 2. We call such a polynomial as a quadratic expression. 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. This equation involves a quadratic expression on one side and a 0 on the other side. So this is a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation has two roots. It means that there are two values that satisfy a quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. In the general form of a quadratic equation, there is a quadratic expression on one side and a 0 on the other side. The quadratic expression consists of three terms. The first term contains x squared and its coefficient a. The second term contains x and its coefficient b, while the third term consists of c. The a, b and c represent constants. Remember, a can have any constant value except 0. Otherwise, it won't be called a quadratic equation. B and C can have any constant values. 5x squared plus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Compare it with ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 6. Similarly, in other quadratic equation, the a, b and c can have other constant values. 2x squared plus 4x plus 9 is equal to 5. Is this quadratic equation in its general form? The answer is no, because there is 5 on the right hand side of the equation. It should be 0. We can convert it into its general form. Simply subtract 5 from both sides of the equation and you get it in its general form, which is 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. As mentioned earlier, a quadratic equation has two roots, and we can find them by three methods, which are factorization method, quadratic formula, and completing square method. If you want to know what these methods are, simply subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss it when I explain these methods in my next videos. Thank you.